Oh no. So guys, today I'm fishing on my kayak in a small creek 5 minutes from home. So hopefully you will enjoy the video and hopefully I will catch some fish. Today I start with the all mate lures in green color. So first cast. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tiger snake over there. Just there. Tiger snake, you beauty. Just put the AC inviters. Wow, got him. Wow.
Oh, wow, got him.
Wow, got him. Wow, what a beautiful take. You beauty. Did you see that? Wow, what a take. Lovely. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go, guys. A nice Murray Cod, about I guess 50 centimeters, 52, something like it, on the Whistling Willie AC lures. You little beauty. the beautiful fish. Let's put him back. Nice. Yesterday I fished over there with my brother-in-law. We were bait fishing and he lost a good cod. He snagged him and yeah, the line snapped, so I'm still so sorry for you, bro. So I'm gonna troll my way back to the car. So yeah, let's see if I can get something on a troll. Well, I'm back in my car. Only caught this cod, one fish, but that's alright. I think it's called fishing. You not always catch a lot of fish, that's alright. But yeah, hopefully you will enjoy this video, and yeah, thank you.